Alright, this is another plumber apprentice video. We got Brett up in here. Let me back up here. So we got a wet vent. Sorry, wet vent here for shower there. Sorry. For people that want to fuss about nomenclature. Alright, so we're in North Carolina. It's got to be strapped every 4 feet. Even when it sucks. Poor old Brett's here, but he's been trying to get a nail attack up in there for about the last 15 minutes, and now he's going to give the impact gun a shot. So, very good example of plumber apprentice stuff. Ignore him sitting on top of the ladder. Oh, I can't get the camera up there. Can he make it happen?
That's it.
I think he did it. So Brett, would you say this is normal everyday stuff for you?
It's getting there.
Alright, more apprenticeship videos if you can hear me over the sawzall. So brought the tub in here. Gotta take out these 2 studs. Alright, North Carolina, we got that R15 behind the tub and house wrap. Because the tub has to come straight in and straight back. Alright, so they tilt it back. Now go put the level on it, level it off, and then start screwing it with self-tapping screws. It's one of the first things we do on a house job. Alright. So Brett's learning how to pipe up a washing machine. This is the first one. He's getting ready to drill him a hole through there. You gotta get that core out before you go for the next one. You want a screwdriver? Using the Milwaukee Super Hog. Big fan of that. It's definitely worth money. Oh yeah, eating some dust, chips, mulch. All right, let me take it. Appreciate it. Eat lots of sawdust doing houses. So, while he's been doing that, Hunter's been over here, checking the tub valve. Delta, of course. Mounted in the back of the door. Shower head, 7 feet. He's moving on to the lavatory. Got it offset left of center so it doesn't get in the way of the electrician with his vanity light right there. Water line centered, of course. Vent's gonna run across, tie to that hole to the roof. Alright, this here needs to be on the video too. For all you plumbers out there that are eating cold food. This is my newest one. Hot logic. Get the zipper open. Don't look at my message truck. It plugs in 12 volt. Oh yeah, look at that condensation. Lord, it's so hot I can't even touch it. I got steam coming out of there. Man. Cold sandwiches suck. I'm gonna go and show you the older version. It ain't older, it's just the first ones we had. On video, so don't say nothing stupid.
Stupid.
There we go. Show them with the top looks like. Yeah, because cold lunch sucks. Amazon, like 24 bucks. One of my truck, I think it was 40. Well worth it.